Every thriving organization has one thing in common: the right people in the right roles. But finding them, engaging them, and keeping them, that's both an art and a science. Welcome to HR Services and Staffing, the industry that puts talent at the heart of business success. The HR services and staffing industry is the bridge between ambition and opportunity. It encompasses recruitment agencies, staffing firms, HR consulting practices, and digital talent management platforms, all dedicated to one mission: connecting exceptional people with organizations that need them. In today's fast-moving, highly competitive job market, businesses can no longer afford guesswork in hiring. Strategic workforce planning, candidate experience, and employee retention have become critical priorities, and this industry delivers the expertise to get them right. Data analytics is fundamentally transforming HR services and staffing, elevating it from an administrative function to a genuine strategic driver. Hiring metrics now guide smarter talent acquisition, cutting time to hire, and improving candidate quality. Predictive models flag attrition risk before valued employees consider leaving. Engagement analytics reveal what motivates teams and where morale needs attention. Workforce planning becomes sharper, and diversity and inclusion initiatives are now measured, tracked, and improved with data, not instinct. Artificial intelligence is rewriting the rules of talent management. AI-driven applicant tracking systems screen thousands of candidates in seconds, surfacing the best fit with remarkable precision. People analytics platforms give HR leaders a real-time pulse on organizational health. Machine learning maps career growth trajectories, enabling personalized development pathways. And as remote work reshapes the employment landscape, cloud-based HR platforms are making workforce management seamless, scalable, and genuinely human-centered. Careers at the intersection of people and data are among the most meaningful and fastest growing in the modern workforce. HR data analyst, talent acquisition analyst, workforce planning specialist, people analytics consultant, employee experience strategist. These roles sit at the very core of how organizations grow, adapt, and thrive. If you want a career that directly shapes lives and drives organizational success, HR analytics is your calling. Begin building that future with analytics learners. Learn analytics. Launch your career.